Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back here with another video, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm finna cut the mufflers on my Hellcat. I had the muffler deleted on my LG because it was not loud enough. Now I'm back with the cat. All you can hear is the whine and it's not loud enough again. So hope they do a good job, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start. Let y'all know how it is. Let y'all see how it sounds right now. Then I'm gonna get y'all start after I fix it. So shit, let's do it. Y'all can see it doesn't sound that loud, but I'm about to go get that fixed right now, so let's do it. Alright, let me see if y'all can get y'all rev, see if y'all can hear this before, see if y'all hear the one. And not really, bro. Not loud enough, bro. I don't like it. It's just not loud enough. But that's all finna change right now. And me. Hope these niggas don't tax me, bro. They be trying to tax like 300 for such a muffler, bro. I should hear that now for sure. Good boy. Alright, what's up, man? I hope it's not windy, but I just pushed up to the muffler shop, so I'm looking for people to help me out right now. What's up? Yeah, I'm just trying to get my mufflers deleted.
Muffler deleted?
Yeah. Trying to get them deleted, man. Nice and windy for y'all boys. For real. My boy get down there. I'll see if I should get the mufflers and the resonators or just the mufflers. I want my shit to sound hella loud. Whatever I do, so. Let's see. Brandon, hey, bro. Hey, I'm finna get my mufflers cut off, bro. Should I do the mufflers and the resonators or just the muffler?
Do both of those.
All right, bet. It's gonna make it louder?
Yeah. All you really gonna have is the cats.
Okay. All right, bet. All right, I'm finna get right. I'm finna do that right now. I'm gonna let you know how that whole sound after. I appreciate you. Say goodbye to this bullshit ass Jawan. I want a nigga to hear me coming up the street like, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna pick this back up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see if he can do something about this. Cause I couldn't get this shit to stay for nothing, bro. We gonna see, man. We gonna see, I'm gonna pick this back up. Probably go in and chill while he's working on this. Or I might come back out here and record while he's lifting up my car, but anyways, we gonna see, man. But bro, I think I'm finna take this out. Hey, I'm not really a car guy, but I'm learning, you know what I'm saying? But I think I'm finna take this out, bro, and add a cool air intake, cold air intake, whatever it's called, you know what I'm saying? So I can hear the whine on the supercharger more. But that's coming next, man. But I'm finna pull my car up right there. He told me he's ready for me. So let's do it, let's do it. Hey, come on. Oh, no, I should be taking like 30 to 45 minutes. Uh-oh. Bro, I suck at this. I go, I'll fuck this shit up so bad. He need to direct me.
Yeah, he is.
Look at him. Copyright. Straight. Right. Come. No. Stop. Back? What the fuck is he saying?
He's saying back.
Parking brake on. Don't even know how to do that shit. First time for everything, man. Let's figure it out. Oh, there we go. Nice. Alright, we finna hop out. What else is on? They just lifted my car up, man. They finna get to work. You know what I'm saying? Shout out these people. If they do a good job, shout out them, bro. They the only muffler shop open. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna mess it up. I can't pronounce it, but they the only muffler shop open on Sunday. And I pulled up and they finna get right to work. Man, shout them boys out for real, man. But y'all gotta let me know what other mods I should do to my car. You know, I'm trying to really have the hardest cat. It might not be wide body, But I'm still trying to have the hardest cat in Dallas, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see, man. Them boys already getting to work right now, man. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Whenever we're done, I'm gonna see if I can ask him to fix my lip guards, because on the right side of my lip guard is kind of coming up a little bit. So after, I'm gonna see if he can fix that. Usually they be chilling on that, so we gonna see. If that's the case, my car gonna look completed for now, until I add the first cosmetic mod, which is gonna be a type of wrap. I'm doing that this week on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that, man. So let's go ask dude right now. Ice. Whatever this shit called.
But it's different. No, they call it Italian ice. That's what they call it.
This shit busting. Y'all want one of these hoes? Y'all hit up Yummy Fruit. That bitch cold as fuck. I hate that car. Hell nah, they finna hit us. Alright, babe, come on, we gonna see. If I die, it's documented. If I die, it's documented, man. I feel like, cause welding, like, once you learn how to do it one time, like, you gonna have a job for the rest of your life.
Yeah, that's how they make good money, and most of the time, if you get a job, they'll pay for you to go to school.
That's crazy, bro. Like, it's a real good skill. This is like, I don't know, bro. This is like a great skill. What you mean it's not easy? That shit easy. You watching TikTok videos. I know. I'm watching them TikTok videos. I be watching like TikTok videos, like, yeah, cause like they be like teaching, like they basically like testing a weld, like they students made, and
Oh,
yeah, shit like that.
I
Like,
didn't see that on
I was seeing them shit. Helping me doing my front splitters, you know what I'm saying? They ain't really have the screw there, so it was kind of just hanging, but bro just helped me get that right on both sides, man. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate that. Yes, sir. There's no taking it off now, man. Still front split on there. It's hard, man. We gotta hear what this motherfucker sounding like, man. We gotta hear what this sounding like. Shit, man. Hopefully this sound real crazy and real loud, just like I came to get it done. Should I waste more of y'all time?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I could tell because it's a red thing on the.
Yeah.
Oh, my phone. Come on. Let's get it. Alright, man. Muffler delete. 240, but it was kind of taxing, but fuck it, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds. Shit, let's hear this, man.
thought you was gonna come back.
Come on. Hey man, this sound crazy as fuck, bro. This how I liked it, man. So yeah, man. Hold on, me unlock the door. How it sound?
It sounds good.
Louder?
I mean, it's louder than before.
Yeah. Alright, I'm fucking with it, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm fucking with it, bro. Alright, YouTube, I just got my mufflers, my resonators cut. Dude also helped me fix this because it's hanging off. Y'all can see it's not hanging off anymore. It was aesthetically pleasing and shit. We are gonna do another remote start. It's not gonna be a cold start this time, but it's gonna be a remote start with the cat. So shit, let's get it, man. Shit. Anyways, that shit sounds way better, but like I was saying, y'all let me know more mods. Y'all let me know more mods y'all want me to do on my car, and I'm gonna do them. I don't really know too much mods and shit. Big red key, man. But anyways, yeah. If y'all like this video, and y'all want more vids, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys subscribe to me. And shit, just like the video, comment, shit. Just tap in with me for real, bro. I really respond to every comment and whatnot, but yeah. I'm gonna pick this up for the next video, man.
I told you about them drugs, they making me feel anxious. Never knew I was the type of nigga to get dangerous. Babe, I roll some up so we can face it. I ain't worried about no other nigga.